今日係嚟到澳門嘅第3場啦。其實咧，我第一場咧喺升上嚟嘅時候咧，已經有少少想喊，因為我見到咁多人嚟睇呢個演唱會，咁多人聽我嘅歌，中意我嘅歌。我仲好記得我 Teddy Enoch 一齊整《驚樂萬千歡喜》嘅時候，喺 Wardrobe Studio。我記得同 Mario、同 Henry、同 Nick、同 Ed、同 Lily、同 Sam 一齊喺佢哋嘅 studio 裏面整歌曲 material 嘅 MV。我同 Nick 吹喺華南嘅化妝間用貝蒂唱情歌。佢之後喺英國嘅 Abbey Road Studio 同 Patrick、同 Spoon、同灣文一齊讀咗碧麗。呢啲歌好似琴日先寫完，但轉眼間你個個都識唱。其實我唔係一個唔中意講嘢同埋少講嘢嘅人嚟嘅，我都幾多嘢講嘅。但每次望住咁多人，都唔知有咩可以講，有咩好講。所以我用咗2日之後，我唯一想講嘅就係多謝。我知我啱唱英文歌，可能有啲觀眾未必唔識，但係呢個係一個好嘅機會俾你哋去聽下呢啲歌。之後我哋唱呢首歌咧，叫做 Speed Limit。喂，你俾我講埋先啦。Speed Limit 呢首歌咧，其實係 To Be Honest 呢個專輯裏面我第一首寫完嘅歌。咁呢首歌咧，其實係寫俾未來嘅自己嘅，同我自己講。無論行得幾遠，跑得幾快都好，都記得減慢速度，慢落嚟。So I brought some new clothes, got a new thing to prove I'm in a new place. I'm going 0 to 100 speed and never can nobody like me. Chasing money, fame and pussy like it's all I know. You're doing high speeds. I need to go slow.